Hello, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn the recipes as one. I hope everyone is safe in this pandemic with this coronavirus. Be safe. Our prayers and thoughts are with you and your family. We can get through this together, and I'm going to bring you a quick recipe that you can make at home with simple ingredients, so we can keep it short, tasty, and we don't have to compromise on flavor. So you be safe. It's good to see you again. I love you, and I know there's anxiety and fear. We got to pray, hope, and hope for the best. So you be safe. I'll give you a quick tip, and I'll see you during the week. Love you. Peace. Dan Soy, Batman in the Kitchen. Yo, 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 yo! Welcome to today's recipe. This is Monday's upload, but I'm bringing it to you Sunday. This is a quick recipe you can make during this pandemic, the COVID-19. You don't have to compromise on taste or flavor. You could use a few ingredients and make a tasty dish. So for today's recipe, we have these flour tortillas. We're going to use butter, salmon, or use whatever you want. This thing is a sauce if you want. It's optional. It's 3 tablespoons mayo and a half a tablespoon German mustard, canola oil, and the 4 main ingredients are cilantro, lemon, tomato, and scallion, which is a green onion. That's the white and green part. So we're gonna start by doing one of these tortillas in butter. Alright, so we have that butter there, and we're going to melt that. Take your tortilla, and we're just going to spin that around, and then we're just going to flip it. It's not going to take long for that. After that, wipe the the pan clean, and then we'll go to this and the other stuff and combine everything. This is a really quick recipe if you have your meat already cooked. Alright, so real quick, you see how the butter surrounded that? Just keep turning that. You can use the hands God gave you, and you're going to want to flip that. Keep your stove on medium, and we're going to just want to brown that on both sides. Alright, so I flipped that, and you can see how hot the butter is. Sometimes this will bubble up. You can take a fork and punch holes in there, but just keep flipping it till you have it brown on both sides. Alright, so you can see how that browned. The thing you can do is, you can either leave this stuff in here or wipe it clean, and then if you want it, you could use some canola oil. I'm actually going to leave this in here and just spray a little bit of canola oil, and I'm going to remove the tortilla. Alright, so that pan has that butter in there, and we're going to take a little bit of canola oil, spread that in there, and then we're going to get started. Put your pan on medium, it's already hot, and let's get started. So, take the amount of salmon you want, let that get started, and then we'll add the other ingredients. Alright, so the salmon's in there. The thing we're going to want to do is we're going to add the cilantro, and then we'll add the onion next. Alright, right now I turned the pan down to low. Now add your green onions in there and just mix it a bit. Next we'll add the tomatoes. Alright, so that's going there right now. Now we're going to take the tomatoes and pour that in there. Stir that up a bit, and you can see all the colors. Now the thing we're going to do is use your lemon of your choice. If you want a lot of lemon, squeeze a lot. If you only want a few, use a couple chunks, but this lemon will add a lot of flavor to that. And everything in this recipe is healthy, and it's good for your immune system. So let's stir this about. Let's put the stove up to medium. Let it warm up a bit. If you want it, you could add salt, pepper, garlic, whatever you want. But I'm trying to keep this 4 or 5 ingredients, because with the coronavirus, you can use limited ingredients, save on food, store food, and still have taste and flavor. So we're basically done. Let this cook for a little bit, for about a minute, then turn it down to low, and then we'll put it on the tortilla. Alright, so we're done. Look at that mixture. It's really healthy. Like, you couldn't ask for anything better. Cilantro, lemon, tomatoes, and the salmon. And here's the tortilla. Look how I browned it. You could do that to your liking. And here's that optional sauce, like the mayo and the German mustard, or you can use Dijon. So we're going to take this and we're going to just put it on top. And then if you want, just dab some stuff around the top or on the side. That's how quick and easy this recipe is. Alright, so we got that on our spoon. And like I said, just put on the... Sorry, the camera was off a little bit. Put on what you want. So just layer that, and look how that is. Couldn't ask for anything more healthy. Alright, so you got... There it is right there. Look how simple that is. Look at that. It's hard to get the light and color of this thing, but I can guarantee you this tastes good. I just tasted it while I was away, and look how good this is. Alright, so me, I love sauce, so I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to dab some on here. If you want, you could be a heavy hitter and put more on there. So this is your Monday upload, taking this journey together, in it together with this COVID-19. I prayed many nights, I cried many nights. We got to get through this. Believe in God, ourselves, and each other. So you be safe, and I'll see you during the week. Batman, peace.